This is from Uncle Clive and Tamsin and Maisie and James.
Okay. Good. Go open up and see what you got.
Yeah.
Yeah? Have a go.
Okay.
Come here.
Here you go, Bubba. Open, open.
There you go. Rip it.
You got it.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's it. Grandma, hold this. You open it. There.
Turn it.
There
Rip
it is.
it. Yeah.
All right. Now you do it.
Good job.
Now turn it upside down. Ooh. Let Daddy hold it. Daddy hold. There it is. You gonna rip it open?
Rip it.
Okay. Hold it. Hold that full.
Yeah.
Some more. Oh. Some more, Bubba? Some more.
Rip the paper. Take the paper off.
You gonna pull some more? Okay, there we go.
What is that? He's...
Oh no.
Look, buddy. You got your own vacuum.
Oh, nice.
Wow. Whoa, buddy.
What do you think? Should we try and get it out for you?
Can you say thank you? Whoa. A vacuum. Whoa.
Vacuum up, and it's gone. We did it. Wow.
There you go.
So you can learn how to take out the rubbish. And it's going to cut the grass.
I have to get him a lawnmower. You turned it off. He got vacuum. Good job. Well done. Thank you for your help.